Hey guys, tonight I'm going to talk about one of my favorite all-time knives, and probably the knife that I chased the longest and had the hardest time getting and thought I'd never get, and it is the Pro-Tech Malibu. This is actually my second Pro-Tech Malibu. This is the Pro-Tech Malibu with the textured handle. I had the original black aluminum Pro-Tech, and I passed that on to someone in the community, hooked up a deal with them. Um, Again, the Pro-Tech Malibu is such a hard knife to come by that if you got an extra one and you know somebody's looking for it, no need to have two, right? But anyway, this knife had so much hype around it when I got it. I mean, everybody was looking for it. They still sell out almost instantly. Pretty simple knife made by Pro-Tech. It's a manual. Somewhere right around a 3-inch blade. You guys can look up the specs on this guy. But it's a button lock. Probably, without a doubt, the finest button lock in the business. So, you know, to kind of take the drama out of it, the Pro-Tech Malibu has a very neutral handle, fits my hand perfectly. So kind of a sheep's footy, Warncliffey, odd little blade that works very, very well. Very thin behind the spine. Pro-Tech right there on the spine. So, is it still worth the hype? Is the Pro-Tech Malibu in the year 2022 everything that we've come to expect in a knife? What we demand as a discerning customer from a knife? And in my humble opinion, I think the Pro-Tech Malibu is every bit that and more. I think it is probably one of the finest built, best tuned knives in the game. It's made in the USA. It's made by Pro-Tech. It is just a dynamite knife. So let's take a second and get a couple of quick size comparisons. Let's look at it next to the Cold Steel 4MAX. And it's going to come in smaller than the 4MAX. Let's look at it next to the Wee Baby Banner. And it's going to be bigger than the Baby Banner. Got a little knife foam there. So let's take a look next to the Benchmade Bug Out. About the same size as the Benchmade Bug Out. Paramilitary 2. It's a little bit smaller than the Paramilitary 2. But that gives you a good idea on the size of the Pro-Tech Malibu. Again, it's aluminum handles, 20 CV blade. These handles are textured. And again, the button lock is just absolute butter. The detent is to die for. And this knife, in my opinion, is still every bit the knife that it was when I was chasing it a year and a half ago. So guys, don't give up hope. Keep looking for them. They come up from time to time on the secondary. And my understanding after being at the Blade Show is there'll be a lot more in dealers' websites and on their shelves. So until then, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Know that y'all have disagreements, but talk through those disagreements. Have debates about them. Be civil. Try to find out what makes y'all the same. Know that you're different, and that's good. And most importantly, love one another. Love you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Peace.